Thor Motor Coach has unveiled the 2025 Scope camper van, transforming the Ram ProMaster XT into a versatile home on wheels. Designed for adventure and comfort, this camper van offers an array of features for modern nomads. The Scope camper van boasts a well-thought-out interior that maximizes space and functionality. It includes a fully equipped kitchenette with a refrigerator, microwave, sink, and induction cooktop. The van also features a wet bath with a toilet, shower, and sink, ensuring all essential amenities are available on the go. For sleeping arrangements, the Scope provides a fold-out bed that comfortably accommodates 2 adults. Equipped with advanced technology, the 2025 Scope ensures connectivity and convenience. It includes a touchscreen control panel for managing various van functions, including lighting, climate control, and monitoring the power system. The van is also outfitted with solar panels and a robust battery setup, allowing for extended off-grid adventures. Connectivity is further enhanced with USB ports, power outlets, and optional Wi-Fi capabilities. On the exterior, the Scope camper van is built to withstand rugged terrains while offering practical features. It includes an awning for outdoor relaxation, roof racks for additional storage, and all-terrain tires for enhanced mobility. The van's robust build and thoughtful design ensure it can handle diverse environments, from urban settings to remote campsites. Thor Motor Coach offers various customization options to cater to individual preferences. Buyers can choose from different interior finishes, additional tech features, and exterior accessories to personalize their camper van. This flexibility ensures that the Scope camper van can be tailored to meet the specific needs and desires of its owners. Powered by the reliable Ram ProMaster XT chassis, the Scope camper van delivers a smooth and efficient driving experience. The van's compact size makes it maneuverable in urban areas while still providing ample living space. Its fuel-efficient engine ensures that long journeys are economical, making it an ideal choice for extended road trips. The 2025 Thor Scope camper van stands out as a modern, well-equipped mobile home designed for those who seek adventure without sacrificing comfort. Its blend of advanced technology, practical amenities, and customizable options make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to explore the open road in style and comfort.